to my channel. So today I am trying to get rid of some scraps, and so I have made, let me see if I can zoom you guys out just a little bit. I have made a couple of Masterboards. This one I started decorating a little bit, but I just made a few. This one was with some of the torn paper scraps. This one was with the strips that are on the edge of the pages that I don't normally use, but I didn't want to throw it away, so I done that. And then this is some of the pieces of the blank book pages. But I figured I've got my thing of scraps here, and what I do is I just kind of keep, when I use it, I'll just keep it all together in a little thing. So I figured what we'll do is maybe at least get started today. I don't know if we'll decorate today, but maybe tomorrow we'll come back and see what we can do about decorating and doing something with our scraps. So I am just going to grab a piece of paper here, and these are just some of the book page scraps that I have right here. And so I'm just going to basically start gluing these down. Now I will tell you guys, collage is my most uncomfortable thing to do. And I'm having to use my Barely Arts because I don't know where all my glue sticks are right now. Glue stick is probably better for this, but I don't know where it's at. So we're doing Barely Arts. Yeah, but doing a collage is what I am most uncomfortable doing. I do not consider myself to be good at collage at all. But I need to make myself do it. I've had people tell me that the more I do it, the more comfortable I would be with it. So I hope they are correct, but and guys, I can see these shadows, and I have no idea. I mean, it is pretty late here. I'm trying to get the video recorded because I am planning on going out of town. My husband's not going to be able to go, but I'm planning on going out of town this weekend for one of my sons. He does the Fire Cadets, and they have their games in Ocala this weekend. Plus, he will be 16 on Wednesday, so definitely want to spend a little time with him. But I wanted to get some of these videos done so that you guys could have videos for while I'm out of town, because I've been really trying my hardest to stay on top of my videos and make sure that I get them done and uploaded, and I've been trying. Man, there's been some times that I'm like, oh my God, I have no idea what to do. I can't even think. And my husband's like, baby, just go in there and just sit down and craft and you'll be fine. So that's what a lot of the videos have been lately, is just me sitting down and crafting because I don't know what to do. And so I've just brought you guys along for my crafting and my little craft therapy sessions, as I call it. Oh, and you know, my second son is getting married September 30th. And my second daughter just got engaged last night. She's been divorced for several years, and she's the one that's the foster mom, and she adopted a little boy and all that. And she has found an amazing man, and he took her to Disney and proposed to her. So I am very happy for my baby girl. She's not the baby girl, but she's still my baby girl. No matter how old she gets, they'll always be my babies. So I am very excited for her. If anybody deserves something like that, she definitely does. She has been through it, and she's the one that excuse me, if you've seen me share something, you know, like go and support my daughter or something like that, she is the one that does all of the singing and she writes songs. So I am super excited for her. So all I'm doing is just basically just laying this stuff down. It doesn't have, I mean, I have a hard time because I still want to put things like in order and have things lined up, and you know, I have the OCD and the ADHD, and maybe that's why I have such a hard time doing collage, because I want to overthink it all the time. But I've been told that you don't overthink it. You just lay the stuff down. So that's what I'm trying to do, is just lay stuff down and not overthink it, even though I can. I can definitely overthink something in a heartbeat. And y'all might hear my cat, because she hears me in here talking and she thinks that I can't be in here without her in here with me. So, yeah, I'm just trying to get some stuff done. I've been, I don't know, trying to do some different stuff that's out of my comfort zone, because it's so easy for me to get in a rut and just get in my comfort zone and just stay there. And tell me I'm not the only one that does that, but I may be. But when I get comfortable doing something, that's just what I want to continue to do. And I don't learn when I do that. And I like to learn new stuff. So that's one reason why I've made it a goal to do like the collage and stuff, because honestly, I would never do collage. But then, you know, I need to. I have to get out of my comfort zone, because if you never get out of your comfort zone, you'll never learn anything new. And that's just not fun. You know, you got to always learn something new. You know, I'm starting I got a huge promotion at work. And I start that new position in like a little over a week. And one of my friends was telling me, she was like, no, girl, that's why I don't change jobs. That's why I've been at my job for like 18 years. She said, because I don't want to learn anything new. I'm like, oh, that's not me. You know, I don't like change. I really don't. But then at the same time, I do like change, because that's how I learn. So I am, you know, I am definitely a little nervous about starting a new position, but it will be okay. I'm excited. But that's the same thing like with all of this, you know, like with the Masterboards, you know, I've already told you guys that this is totally out of my comfort zone. But you know what? I have to do it. I just have to hush and do it. And look, we've already got one done. Look at that. And that didn't take us too long. So I'm going to let that one dry. Let's go. It looks like I got enough scraps. I can do another one. I'm going to set that one to the side for now, and let's keep on going. See, I was running my mouth and not even paying attention, and done got that one finished. And I'm actually, from what I can tell, I think I'm going to be pleased with it. So maybe that's what I just need to do when I'm doing something out of my comfort zone, is just run my mouth and not pay attention. Because I guess since I'm running my mouth, I'm not overthinking it. Maybe that's what it is. Now that I've said that, I'll start overthinking it and not be able to finish this one that we just started. Yeah, so guys, y'all know how crazy I am. So there will not be a live Friday night because I will not be in town. I will be at the fire games My poor husband, I don't even know if I've told him yet that I'm going out of town. I guess I probably should make sure I do that. He has to work, so he'll still be home, which that'll be good because the cat's here, and so she can keep him company. But so what all are you guys working on right now? Are you working on journals, composition books? Are y'all gearing up for craft fair season? I'm trying to get back into my craft fair series as well because I've had a few people ask me if I was going to be doing that this year. So I'm going to try and get some of those videos going. I do have a few that I've been working on. It's one thing I was doing this afternoon was working on like some prototypes of some different things, and they turned out really good, but I still need to like nail down exact measurements because I'm not happy with it. So I am definitely working on some new craft fair projects. Like I said, hopefully those, as soon as I can nail down not the perfect but the good measurement, then I'll get it. I'll show it to you in just a second. One of the things I'm working on, but I don't know, I'm having troubles with one measurement, and I'll keep working on it until I get that measurement the way I want it, and then we'll come on together and we will make it. So it's actually another one of the little Dollar Tree items that you can get split and make several projects out of one $1.25 item. I love doing that because it maximizes your profit margin, and they make cute gifts. So I try my hardest to do stuff like that. And so on these, I probably should be paying attention to see if there's any bad words or words I don't want written down, but I'm not paying attention. But what I will do is when I go to start putting like my focal points and stuff on, I'll really pay attention then. And if there's something that I see that, I don't want on there, I'll put a focal point on it and cover it up. So just make sure that if you do collage with some of the old books and stuff, make sure that you do kind of pay attention to that, because there's a lot of things now that, it wasn't offensive then, but for whatever reason now people consider it offensive, and it's not worth hurting somebody's feelings or, offending somebody over. Just cover it up. Cover it up and be done with it. And like I said, most of the time I try to pay attention, but I just haven't been this time because I'm just running my mouth and not even paying attention to anything at all, which I think it's actually helped me because we're about to get the second one done. And guys, if y'all know me in collage, y'all know I never can do collage. So I am pretty excited about this. I am not going to lie at all. I'm very excited that I seem to be getting it, which is so crazy for me. Crazy, because guys, when I say this is out of my comfort zone, I mean to tell you, this is totally out of my comfort zone. But tonight, I feel like I'm like racing through it, and it's like, I can do 10 of these. I'm not going to. No. I'm not going to push my luck. Maybe 1 or 2, and I'll be happy and say that I done good, but I'm afraid if I started trying to do any more, then it might be pushing my luck, and I might not be able to do it so nice. So, we just going to take it what we can and be done with it. We're not going to test fate. All right, I got just a couple more little pieces to cover. Great goodness, this is so cool. I mean, this is like really cool. And I mean, it's just going right on along. I don't even know what to think. I'm trying to find a little piece. I mean, I can tear it, but y'all, how many of you guys are like that? They're scraps, you know. It's like, what are you going to? What else are you going to use it for? But I don't like to waste it, even though they're scraps. I don't like to waste my scraps. I just don't. I want to keep my scraps. I like my scraps. I know, please tell me I'm not the only one that's crazy like that. Because I will save all the little tiny pieces. That's what that bag right there is. It's all kinds of little bitty pieces that really should have been thrown away. But no, they're not. Okay, I think we've got it, guys. Look at that. I'm trying to find my pen. So we have done 2 Masterboards in less than 20 minutes. Guys, that's a record for me. I have well, I mean, they're not finished though, so I don't know if I could legitimately say that I've done 2 Masterboards in 20 minutes because I don't have the focal points or anything like that on them, but I think they need to dry before I could do that. So I just keep my scraps. I have it in here in this bag. And I don't know what I've done with my pen. I'll probably find it when I go to step on it. But yeah, so I've got this, and I can put some of these little pieces down as though they were like a washi tape. And I mean, those are really cute. So yeah, guys, this is a short video, but you know, didn't need it any longer. I got done what I had set out to do, and so thank you guys so much for staying with me tonight and helping me out. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.